Hi everyone, welcome back to Asima's vlogs. Hope you're all doing great today. So guys, in today's vlog, I'm going to share with you, I'm making spring rolls today. So as you guys probably know, little Lolina is literally not letting me speak. Little sweetie baby. So Ramadan is approaching, guys. So if most of you probably know that it's an Islamic celebration, it's basically during that month it's all about praying, and fasting is the main one that a lot of you probably know out there. So before Ramadan almost approaches, we just prepare for it, because when we're fasting, when we break our fast, just to have all those nice savories and all that with us, and nice meals. Of course, we cook warm meals like on the day, but we have like extra food like spring rolls and samosas and all that. So you probably do know, but today I'm making spring rolls. I'm not making samosas. Yes, little Alida thinks I'm speaking to her, so she keeps talking over me. So I'm not going to make samosas because hubby really likes spring rolls the most. So he's like, just make spring rolls. I don't really like the samosas much. I think it's because, I don't know, he just likes it the way like the spring rolls are all rolled up, and where he thinks the oil doesn't get inside for some reason, whereas the samosas, the edges of the corners have tiny holes. He thinks the oil goes through, so he doesn't like that for some reason. But since they are deep fried, I don't think it makes any difference, but he likes them, so I'm gonna make spring rolls today. Yes, sweetie. So I'm gonna make them today, and I'm going to share with you my recipe for that today. So so my Pacific vlog for today is all about making spring rolls today. So I'm gonna take you. Also, it's been raining out today, so I don't think I'm going to go out. Yeah, I'm not gonna go out. It's just lately it's been like raining on and off here. I mean, summer's right around the corner. Very soon it should be here. Hopefully during our Eid celebration it's not too bad, so we can go out as well. Of course, I will definitely be making my vlogs throughout Ramadan, and also specifically, especially on Eid as well, and show you everything. Also when we are doing our shopping and everything, I will definitely be making my vlog and sharing everything with you guys as much as I can. Guys, I also wanted to share something with you. I found the cutest handbags, purse. Well, they're like tiny purses. I found them. It is so cute. Look at this cute little purse. It's literally like a wallet, but it's actually a wallet purse. I think that's what you call it. It's got a long chain as well, so you can literally like have it on your shoulder or something. It is super cute. It's got, of course, like for your card space. It's so cute, guys. I had to buy it. And I don't like small purses, guys. I prefer medium-sized purses because I like to carry quite a lot of stuff in there, especially my umbrella, because over here you never know when it's gonna rain. The rain is always around the corner, so I hate being out without an umbrella. So I don't like small purses. But this purse, it was just too cute. And I'm gonna show you why I got this. I'm gonna show you. I found this another little, but still small, but a little upper size, and I had to buy this. It's not a wallet. It looks just like a wallet, but it actually has a chain. No, you can see. I'll show you guys. So it's like a shoulder clutch bag, I'd say, probably. It has a long chain, so it's super cute. Also, you can like, not a lot of space, but card space. You can carry your phone at least. And I brought this one for myself, and I brought this one for little baby Alina, guys. I had to. It was so, it was meant to be. Like, these two purses were together as well. Yes, and they were together, and it was meant to be, guys. It was literally made for me. They're super cute, and now I'll be able to match with my baby Alina now. Because she already has a little purse that I brought for her, but of course not matching. Like I brought one from the kids section for her, And that's super cute as well. She's got it somewhere around here. I can't see it here. She's always wearing that as well. And it's a pink one and she loves it. You guys probably have seen it in pictures or something. Or I don't know if I've uploaded any. I do upload some. So probably you have seen it or maybe not. Can't see where it is right now. I think she's left it in the other room. So, but this is super cute. It's Nine West, the brand as well. So a branded bag as well for my little baby Alina. It's just super cute. I'm gonna, like, it'd be perfect for the summer. Like, she'll have this little one on, I'll have this one on. I'm not wearing it at the moment because it's like raining and all that at the moment, like I said. So I won't wear it now. Probably we might wear it on Eid, guys, if I find the matching outfits or something. And I'll definitely enter out the summer. But it's super cute. When she wears it on, I will show you guys definitely. And when I make my vlogs, you will see as well. I also post pictures and everything, but it's super cute. I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's so nice. So if you're a mom out there and if you're watching my vlog and if you are into stuff like this as well, like me dressing up your daughter, and if you want to match with your daughter, I mean, a lot of moms I know do this. If you find purses like this matching, get it or you'll regret it. I'm telling you. I mean, I brought mine from TK Maxx. So in TK Maxx, the thing is, like, you see, you get it. Otherwise, next time you come back, it's gone. So I had to buy it because they don't really have like a collection of them. Unless you see it in a collection shop, then maybe you might be able to find it again. But for me, it's a bit hard. Like that. So I had to get it, guys. So I was just going to share that with you. I have rinsed my chicken now. They are chopped in cubes. I have chopped some spring onions and some coriander and some capsicum. I've used 3 small capsicums. I will add some sweet corn. I've also chopped some onions. I've made some fresh chili paste with just chili and garlic. I will add 1 teaspoon of oil. I'll add my chicken and let it cook for about 5 minutes. I've let my chicken cook for about 5 minutes. There's still some water. We'll now add our spices. I'm using my chili paste first, and then I'm going to add some salt and ginger garlic paste and some peppers, and that's all, and just mix well and let it cook. My chicken has now almost cooked. As you can see, the water has evaporated. You don't want any water left that's come from the chicken. I'm going to now get my chicken crushed in tiny pieces. My chicken is now almost crushed fully. As you can see, it needs to be like this in tiny pieces. I'm going to make my sauce now, and I'm going to use this flour. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. You can also use butter. Add 1 spoonful of flour and mix in well. And now I'm going to add some milk. I'm going to use 2 cups, but it depends how thick the sauce you would like, so you can add more or less. My sauce is now done. I'm now going to add some mozzarella, some salt and black peppers, and just mix in well. I've added the sauce and chicken in a separate bowl. I'm just going to mix it through. I'm going to now add all my veggies. I have now mixed all my veggies in. I'm going to add some extra shredded cheese on top. My filling is now ready and it's looking so good, guys. So guys, I have made the filling now, as you saw. Yes. As soon as I start talking and recording, baby Alina just starts talking over me again and again. Because I think she thinks I'm speaking to her, so... Or maybe she just wants to get involved. So I have made the filling now, and it's all done and ready. And the spring rolls pastry is also defrosted now. So I think I've made quite enough. Might even be able to make 80 spring rolls instead of 40, because I brought 2 packets, but I only took 1 out the freezer. But while I'm doing the first one, I might take the other one out. So I'll see when I'm doing it if it is enough or not, because if it's not enough, then I'll only do one packet. But it looks like it's enough to me. I've made quite a lot, and I've tasted it as well. It's really nice, so it's perfect. So yeah, it's perfect when you get the right amount of spice and all, because I made the chili alcoholic paste mixer fresh. So when it's fresh, sometimes it's really spicy. Makes it, but it turned out to be good. So I'll show you guys when I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to fill it in right now, so I'll show you guys how I do it. I'm now making glue for the pastry. You add 1 spoon of flour and some water and just mix through. And my glue paste is ready. I'm now going to start filling in my spring rolls. It's really easy and simple. You just lay your sheet down like this and get a spoonful of filling and fold both edges on the side first, then from bottom and taking it all the way to the top, then just gluing the pastry all together. If it's your first time, it will take you 2-3 goes until you start to get used to it and how to do it, but it is really simple and easy. Once you get used to it, you'll know how fast and easy you'll be able to do it. Now I'll just repeat doing this until I've finished. I finished doing 40 spring rolls. I've still got a filling left to be able to do my next pastry packet now. My spring rolls are now finally done. I've made about 80 spring rolls. This is how I put my last 2 spring rolls in the freezer that I made the first 40. Now I'll put them away in a freezer bag. You have to put them in separately first, otherwise they'll all stick together. After a while you can put them in a freezer bag and just put it in all together. One bag of 40 spring rolls ready. I'm going to put my next 40 spring rolls that I've just made in all separately before I put them in a freezer bag. So guys, I have made my spring rolls now. As you saw, I've made about 80 spring rolls. So I finished both the packets, and the amount of chicken that I made was all enough for those both packets, so that was really good. And I've done that, and I'm really tired now because it does take a while. It took me like almost 2 hours, and I don't count the cooking, preparing the filling part as well. So the filling probably took a while as well, because of all, it just takes a while, like getting the sauce is cooked separately, then the chicken, then adding all the other bits and bobs in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you try it. If you do, let me know in comments, and if you'd like me to do anything else in my next vlog, comment below and I will do so as soon as possible for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.